Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Marion County, southern Hamilton County, 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 8:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Lookout Mountain or near Chattanooga, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $5 hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chattanooga, East Brainerd, Lookout Mountain, Collegedale, East Ridge, Ridgeside, Appleton, Utua, Rossville, and Red Bank. This includes Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile markers 1 and 8. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK48.